Meet ALIO IT, a company dedicated to offering digital solutions to your company's needs. Wait, that's Alfonso, founder of ALIO IT and the person in charge of making your ideas become a reality in the digital world. How? Let me explain. ALIO IT has a dedicated team of experts located in Mexico, and with customers all over the world who put their trust in Edis, our strategic consultant who helps their business grow by creating a tailor-made solution to their digital needs. And that's Said, one of our team's leading software developers who works his best at a local coffee shop, or Fernanda, who loves to code at the library, helping pave the fastest path towards monetizing your business. Because giving our team the freedom to work where they best excel is what makes ALIO IT construct the quickest solutions in helping your company become more efficient, more reliable, all at the customer's fingertip. Because Carlos knows best that there's only one way to code our customers' applications, and that's while eating tacos, without the mess. Our team at ALIO IT will work non-stop to make our customers achieve their goals, because they are our goals as well. ALIO IT, creating solutions one bit at a time.